now let's go to the hot stuff.
Hot stuff. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So it's Fiet 2024 Italian Food and Tourism Exhibition, the event that brings Italian food and wine and tourism excellence to Venice is ongoing until today. So let's go there.
Venice.
Venice.
Look at this.
Wow.
Welcome to the Fiet. I want to introduce the CEO of the event, Daniele Circello.
Ciao paparazzi!
And now let's see what the Fiet is.
Fiet is an international event and hosts visitors and buyers from all over the world in the Queen City of Beauty. The Italian wealth and excellence made of landscapes, territories and tourism, of agri-food supply chains of the earth, of sea economies, of intelligent and eco-friendly fishing and aquaculture, offers many development opportunities to the communities that depend on fishing. Maritime policies, offering growth, valorisation of cultural heritage and artistic heritage linked to micro-territories, redevelopment of inland and coastal rural territories, and finally also stimulating healthy lifestyles through the consumption of healthy food. Meetings, conferences and roundtables will characterize the experience throughout the event. Relationships, communication of the many excellences produced in Italy's micro-territories are some of the fundamental aspects that Fiat generates in favor of the economies for the networks of tourists and agri-food producers branded Italy. The message at the heart of Fiat is come together to plan an important and increasingly rich tourist offer of unique and unforgettable experiences not delocalizable. Fiat is not only an open-day exhibition, but also an incubator of development models that, in the wake of the success of the Milan Expo, wants to emphasize even more how food, from nourishment, becomes a warm and efficient welcome, an exhibition of the beauty of landscapes, a generational plot through traditional dishes, and an opportunity for development.
I love
Wonderful
this
exhibition.
Italian food and tourism exhibition in Venice.
Venice.
In Venice.
What else?
In Venice.
Yes, what do you want
What
more than that?
else?